Crystal Angels Restaurant. This is Angeline Lamota speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, good morning. I would like to have a table reservation, please.
Ma'am, may I know the name that will make the table reservation?
Miss Maria Sarabia.
Okay, Miss Maria
Oh, yeah,
Sarabia.
that's correct.
Ma'am, when are you going to use your table reservation?
This coming May 28, 2024.
Ma'am, on what time are you expecting you will arrive in the restaurant?
At exactly 9 o'clock in the morning.
Ma'am Sarabia, please hold for a moment. I will check the reservation book if the date and time is available. Thank you for waiting, Ma'am Sarabia. This coming May 28 at 9 o'clock in the morning is absolutely available.
Okay, that's good.
Ma'am, how many are you expecting in your reservation?
Only me.
Do you have any special request for your table, Ma'am? We have a nice big table near the window and a smoking car, overlooking the beautiful scenery of a sea view, or you can have a table near the entrance where you can see our butterfly garden down which non-smoking area.
A table near the window, please.
Mom, do you have a special occasion that you are going to celebrate so that we can prepare something that will surprise your owner like scented candles, perhaps or a fresh bouquet of roses in your choice of color as your centerpiece?
Thank you for asking that. I am celebrating my birthday. My special request is a flower bouquet.
Ma'am, our restaurant offers American, Russian, and French service.
I would like to have an American service, please.
Anything you will add to your reservation, Mom?
And that would be all.
Ma'am Sarabia, may I ask your contact number so that I can call you an hour before the time of your arrival to remind your table reservation?
503-9400.
Ma'am, may I repeat your table reservation for your confirmation?
Yes, please.
A table for one is already reserved under your name, Maria Sarabia, this coming May 28, 2024 at exactly 9 o'clock in the morning. Location of the table is near the window with a special request of a lighted scented candles, a bouquet of roses as your centerpiece for your birthday. And your contact number is 503-9400. Did I get the information right, Mom?
Yes.
Ma'am Sarabia, if you have any changes and amendments about your reservation, please call us.
Okay.
Thank you for calling Crystal Angels Restaurant. Have a nice day.
Yes, I have already a reservation.
Will this table be comfortable with you, ma'am? Yes, it's perfect. Then please be seated. Thank you. May I hold your napkin, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'll be back when you get your water, ma'am. Please wait for a while. Please hold on for a moment. I will check the table. Please be patient. There will be far more room. It's not Excuse me, ma'am. Here's the menu for food and beverages selection for today's. Please have a look.
Okay, thank you.
Waiter! Can I take your order, ma'am?
I would like to order almond, mango, dessert, and chicken soup.
Let me repeat your order, ma'am. Omelette, mango dessert, and chicken soup. How about red wine, ma'am? We have Maria Clara. It has 10% alcohol content. Do you want to order, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Okay. Here's your order, mom. The omelette and the chicken soup.
Thank you.
Here's your dessert, mom.
Yes, thank you.
Here's your wine.
Pero pwede pa umakas na ito ang isa ko yung pag-iwi ko kay
How's your beer, mom?
It's delicious.
Can I clean your table?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill. Would you like to pay cash or credit card?
Use my credit card.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be back. Here's your credit card, ma'am. Let me guide you to the exit, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. G, I'll escort you to your table. Please,
Thank you for coming our restaurant, ma'am.
You're welcome.